The initial path of the crew cabin from the vapor cloud carried across the path of an adjacent contrail, clearly revealing its truncated form and attitude.
Would you tell me if I was worthy? Now that you're home, I don't have to be alone. I know it's selfish, but I already know. So self-aware, I intend to die this way. There is nothing that anyone can change. Someone tell me, who am I supposed to be? Give me direction. I need affection. Late at night, I don't have to be myself. Pretend to read all of the books